Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is Hovinal Narcisse. And for tonight, we're going to unbox an item that I received from Ironheart, United Kingdom. This is the 20th anniversary Selvedge Denim from Ironheart. And as usual, I have here the green plastic bag with the item inside. So this package was sent through UPS from Great Britain to my mailing address in Los Angeles, California. It took 2 days to travel from Gosport in England, Great Britain, all the way to Los Angeles. And from Los Angeles, it was sent through the Johnny Air Cargo, and after 6 days, I received it in Metro Manila at SM Mega Mall. And we're going to unbox this very important denim, Selvedge denim from Ironheart. The usual brown paper bag, and we're going to open it. This is the 20th anniversary Selvedge Denim Jeans from Ironheart, and this was designed by Shinichi Hariki-san from Japan. This is a 21-ounce heavy Selvedge denim. This is the original fabric that they used 20 years ago, and that was in 2002. This was improved of some adjustments. Okay, so I received the usual sticker, the usual care instructions, and the catalog for 2022 Ironheart cuts, shirts, denims, and clothing items. This is $375. I think I got the last size 31. It took about 1 week or 2 weeks before this particular item was sold out in their website store. So I think I'm very lucky to have the last size 31 in this anniversary Selvedge denim. This is a straight cut, or the 634 cut, which is the first cut being released by Ironheart since they founded this brand of Selvedge denim. I size it to size inseam 30. I would like to mention some adjustment or some significant items or description on this model. They improved the arc weight, wherein they use a golden thread for its chain stitch. This is a chain stitch already. It's not the ordinary stitch that you see in the regular Selvedge denim jeans from Ironheart. And then the leather. The leather is black, and the model and size number was personally stamped by Haraki-san, the founder of this brand, which is the Ironheart. It says that they improve the pocket. Yeah, look very nice. As you know, 634 is a complete copy of the 501 Levi's cut. I would like to read to you what is written in the website on the description of this particular Selvedge denim, which is the 20th anniversary edition of this certain cut, which is the reproduction of the same original first denim created and sold by this brand Ironheart. I would like to read the description of this item. It says here that it has been 20 years since the inception of Ironheart, and to celebrate this milestone, we are taking things back to where it all started. With a limited run of Haraki-san's first Ironheart jean design, the 634, our classic straight cut. A little known fact is that Haraki-san came up with the name Ironheart for his new brand while standing in the bathroom after a few beers with friends discussing his vision for the future. This 20th anniversary edition features many of the same details found on the standard model with several special features. They are of course constructed from our signature 21 Selvedge Indigo denim with the arcuates on the rear pockets of each pair individually changed stitch, embroidered with gold thread, a very time-consuming process carried out by the very talented Hayakawa-san. We have also switched out the cowhide back patch to a black Cordovan horsehide leather version, which had been hand embossed with a custom 20th anniversary design by Hirao-san of Wedge Leathers, who produce Ironheart's leather goods. The left front pocket bag has been printed with a special anniversary design. This is the one. And if this was not enough, the lot number and size had been stamped into the patch by Haraki-san himself. This one. So the size is size 31. Okay. This is the usual card where they write the order number, and you have also the name of signature of the one who prepared for this item before it was brought out for shipping. Very nice. This is lighter than the 25 ohms, and I think this is a better fit for me. I got the shirt, anniversary shirt, 20th anniversary shirt, and this 20th anniversary Selvedge Denim Jeans from Ironheart. Very nice. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe, and if you have any comments, positive or negative, please say so in the comment section. And if you want to know the latest videos that I post in this YouTube channel, please click that ring button so that you will be notified. So with that, after this, we will have the fitting video, and thank you very much for watching this YouTube channel. Bye. Have a good day.